Okay, hello po mga kanumero, especially sa mga grade 7 natin dyan. So, ang topic this week is about relationship between pairs of angles. So, meron tayong pairs of angles. So, pag sinabing pairs of angle, dalawang angle. So, ano ba ang mga iba't ibang relationship niya? So, unahin po natin. Ang unang relationship is complementary angles. So, sabi sa definition, complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Sum of 90 degrees. So this is complementary angles. So example, I have an angle, measure, sabihin natin 50 degrees, and another angle, ang measure is, sabihin natin 40 degrees. So for example, this is angle ABC and angle DEF. So we can say that two angles, angle ABC and angle DEF, are complementary because we're going to add 50 and 40, so that is 90. So automatically, these two angles are complementary angles. Another example, pwede rin. So for example, I have here. So this angle ABC is a right angle. And then we form angle ABD and angle DBC. So this angle ABD and angle DBC are also complementary. Kasi pag inad natin to, saka ito, so that sums up 90 degrees. So that is complementary angles. Samantalang, pag supplementary naman, another kinds of pairs of angles, supplementary angles. So, halos parehas lang nito. Ang pagkakaiba lang, ang sum nito is 180. So, two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. So, for example, I have an angle measures 120 degrees and then an angle measures 60 degrees. So, we're going to add 120 and 60 degrees. So, automatically, 180. Kaya, they are supplementary angles. So, complementary angles, supplementary angles. Kaya minsan pag may mga tanong, find the complement of 30 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, hanapin mo kapartner ng 30 degrees na magiging sum up, ang magiging sum is 90 degrees. So, just subtract 90 by 30, so the answer is 60. So, 30 and 60 are two complementary angles. Siyempre, sa supplementary, halimbawa, 180, because the sum is 180, so automatically, an angle measures 100 degrees and an angle measures 80 degrees. They are supplementary angles. Okay, and then, next is, we will have the adjacent angles. So ano po ba yung adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are two angles. Siyempre, pairs of angle din siya. So, adjacent angles. So, from the word adjacent, magkatabi. So, adjacent angles, may common vertex daw. An angles with common vertex. Common side. With no common interior points. So, walang common na interior points. Common interior points. So, paano natin masasabi na adjacent angles? Based from the description. So, ang adjacent angle, for example, this is my angle. Pag sinabi nating vertex, so this is our vertex. And then the sides, these are the sides of the angle. So, we have the two rays, which is the side. And then, common interior points. Interior points means nasa loob ng angles. These are the interior points. So, dalawang angle na may common vertex, common side, and no common interior points. Actually, pag sabi mong common vertex, sabihin natin, sir, eto, pwede to. This angle and this angle, they have a common vertex. So, mali pa rin. Kasi dapat common ang side. So, magkaiba ang side ng angle na to is this, and the angle, this angle, iba rin yung side. So, hindi to pwede. Another, baka sabihin, how about this, sir? Okay. Yung angle parang nag-overlap. So, may common vertex siya, may dalawa pa siyang common side. So, okay siya sa common side, okay sa common vertex, pero pagdating dun sa no common interior points, the same ang interior points niya. So, hindi rin pwede. So, para ma-form ang adjacent angle, So, eto po siya. So, this angle and this angle are adjacent. Magkatabing angle lang siya. Okay? So, kung titingnan natin, may common vertex siya. Pangalanan natin. So, angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent angles with common vertex of point B and common side which is ray BD. Yun yung common side niya. And then, kung titingnan natin, ang interior points ng angle ABD and angle DBC magkaiba. Nandito yung sa ABD, nandito yung sa angle DBC. Kaya, they are adjacent angles. Okay? Next, so from complementary, supplementary, adjacent, so we will now have the linear pair. Actually, this is a continuation of the adjacent angle. So, linear pair. So, hindi mahalata minsan kasi may hinihanap minsan. Find a linear pair. Naghahanap sila ng linear. Pero actually, this is an example of pairs of angle. Dalawang angles din siya. So, ano yung definition ng linear pair? It is an adjacent angles. Again, adjacent angle siya and also supplementary. Or the sum is 180 degrees. So, ano po bang itsura ng linear pair? Kasi naging line siya. Kasi kung titingnan natin, parang may straight line. And then, etong angle na to at saka etong angle na to, they are an example of linear pair. Parang nag-form siya. Pero miniminta nating angle is this. This angle and this angle. Kasi kung titingnan natin yung adjacent angle kanina, eto. So, parang etong side na non-common side, nag-form siya ng line. So, minove natin doon, and then naging ganito. So, itong angle na to, that is an example of linear pair. Pero syempre, a linear pair is also adjacent angles kasi magkatabi siya. And then also, supplementary. Why? If we're going to add the two linear pair, always, the answer is 180 degrees. Okay? And then, for the last relationship, we will have the vertical angle. So, vertical angle naman, it is formed by two intersecting lines, which are non-adjacent. Formed by two intersecting lines. Pero, syempre, non-adjacent. Okay, paano natin masasabi? So, halimbawa, I have intersecting line, another intersecting line, another line, nag-intersect. So, automatically, we have four angles. This angle, and this angle, and this angle. So, halimbawa, pinili nating angle is this. So, this angle and this angle are adjacent. That is a linear pair ng nakaraan. So, this is also linear pair or adjacent angle. So, alin nandito sa tatlo yung hindi niya ka-linear pair or adjacent angle. So, eto. Kaya siya naging non-adjacent. So, this angle now and this angle are examples of vertical angles. Pero pag tinanong, how about this? So, yung ka-vertical naman itong angle na to is this angle. So, yun po ang tatandaan about vertical angles. Okay? So, actually, karagdagan sa vertical angles, the vertical angles based on the vertical angle theorem, they are congruent or the same ang measure niyan palagi. So, kung ito 80 degrees, automatically this is also 80 degrees. Okay? And then kung gusto mong kompletuhin, because this is a linear pair, 80, and then para maging 180, so this is 100. And then vertical angle siya, so this is also 100. So, yun lang po. So, yun po ang 5 klase ng relationship using two pairs of angle. A pair of angles, sorry. So, again, complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, and vertical angles. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Huwag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa channel po natin para sa more videos like this. Thank you.